In this video, I am going to show you how you can rearrange your posts on Instagram. Let's say I open my Instagram and head over to my profile, and I have a couple of posts. So if I want to rearrange them, unfortunately, Instagram doesn't let me rearrange my posts in any form that I want. All Instagram lets me do is to pin 3 posts that I want on top. So if I tap and hold on each one of my posts, I have the option that says pin to main grid. If I tap on that, it will be pinned on the top, and the next one also pin to main grid. And the sooner you pin something, it will show like first in line, and just like that. This is like the last one. And if I also archive some of my posts, it will be removed. So unfortunately, that's all we can do. And I hope Instagram lets us arrange our posts in any way that we want in the near future.